Welcome back to Odoo 19 CRM Beginner Series Part 4. So in previous episode, we learned how to convert a sales lead into a real sales opportunity, right? So we have already done how to secure your sales pipeline also. So here we have a truth, like even you set up any sales pipeline, the sales only move forward when you are going to follow up your leads continuously through emails, calls, messages or meetings, right? So here in this video, we are going to discuss about how to schedule activities and how to manage that activities inside Odoo 19 CRM module. So this help you to manage all those leads and creating activities and give you better growth in your sales. Okay, so without stretching the video, let's directly head over to the Odoo 19. So here we are in the CRM dashboard, okay, in our sales pipeline. So we are going to schedule or create an activity inside an opportunity or a lead. So every opportunity in Odoo CRM can have one more scheduled activity. These are the reminder or to-do items, like we can say call the customer, send a follow-up email, schedule a meeting. So these activities help you to stay on top of every lead without losing that the track or something. Okay. So we all know that how much important that we are giving to each follow-up once we get a lead and that we converted to an opportunity after a call or a meeting and we are scheduling something else. Like scheduling activity is very important inside the CRM module. Okay. So let's select one of our opportunity. So let me take the example, which is furniture sale, which we have created in our previous episode. We created a lead and converted that into an opportunity. So here we are. Here we have our opportunity, which is furniture sales in the proposition stage. So we are going to create an activity or schedule an activity for corresponding this opportunity. For that, here you can find an option, show activities, right? Just click on that clock icon and there you will get a wizard like this, schedule activities to help you to get things done very fastly. To schedule an activity, you can just simply click on the plus icon. You will get a wizard like this. So there you can find different activities, which is to do, email, call, meeting, to do stuff, UB or form request, document, signature, and there we have the summary. So what kind of activity that we are going to do is, will be showing in the summary side, and there we have the due date and assign it to, and there you can simply provide any log node inside an activity. So here I'm going to create an activity which is called call. Okay. Once I'm done with that, there you can find the summary. It's changed into the call and the due date. You can simply specify which is the due date. If you want to call this particular customer in which date, 24th, you can simply provide that. And once we are done with that, you can assign this activity to a salesperson. So it is already assigned to the Michelle admin. I'm not going to change that. If you want to change into another salesperson, you can simply do that by clicking on the option. You will get the drop-down menu. Under the drop-down menu, you can find your salesperson and you can simply provide or assign this activity to any salesperson that you can see inside the drop-down menu. Okay. Once you're done with that, there we have the log node. If you want to create a particular node inside the activity, you can simply provide that. If you want to type any commands or anything, you can simply add the slash button and you can provide the commands like in the heading 2, heading 3, text and anything. Okay. So here I'm not going to give any kind of like commands. Here I'm only going to give the note which is okay, call immediately. Okay. Once I'm done with that, you can simply save this. So now here I'm going to save this. And there we have an option to save, mark as done and discard. If you want to discard this activity, you can click on the discard option. If you want to save this, you can simply click on save. And once the activity is done by Michelle admin, you can mark as done. So here I'm going to save this activity. And now you can see that inside the Kanban view, the opportunity, there you can find a clock icon instead of the call icon. Why? Because we are not scheduled any activities inside the opportunity, but here it's changed into call. Why? We are created a new activity inside this opportunity. Okay, it's very simple. Once we are done with that, you can find all such things inside the Kanban view itself. Okay, so tracking all the activities in one place is very simple thing. To see all your scheduled tasks in one place, let's move to the activity side. There you can there we have an activity view inside the sales pipeline itself. You will find all the activities of different kind of opportunity from here. Let's move there, and there you can find the activities that we are created, or that we have done, in the past stage, or anything from here itself. Okay, so let's find our activity, which is let's find our opportunity, which is furniture sales. Here you can find, so we are scheduled a call at 24th October 2025 to Michelle admin. And if you want to create new activities inside the activity view, you can simply click on the plus icon and you can schedule an activity. Like if you want to add any email, just click on there, and you can find the due date. And if you want to provide any log note, you can simply do that, and once you are done with that, you can schedule it. Okay, so we are scheduled our activity, which is in email. Okay, there you can find our email, which is 20th. So there you can find all such things inside the activity view from here. Okay, so there you can see different kind of what color denotes. Okay, so the red color denotes the missed thing that we need to do that, but we have already missed this activity, which is the email invoice is missed one. So that can be found in the red color. So in ongoing things can be found in yellow color, and the future things that we need to do in the coming next days will be showing on the green color. So you can find all such things inside the activity view. Or if you want to see your activity, like this is Michelle admin's account. So if Michelle admin needs to find his activity, like they can simply move to the sales and they can find my activities option. So simply click on there, and Michelle admin can find his activity inside the dashboard. Like he can simply see the clean dashboard that showing the what's the due activity, what's the planned, what's the overdue, and everything. And he can also filter the things by activity type, salesperson, or due date by using our filter bar. Okay, so this is making it super easy to manage your day without missing a single follow-up. Okay, so that's how you can schedule an activity inside an opportunity and viewing them, and creating an activity inside the activity view. And if you want to see your activity and if you want to filter that things, you can also do all such things inside the CRM module for easy follow-up or converting an opportunity into a sale order. Okay. So I hope you all understood how to schedule and track activities inside Odoo 19 CRM module. So basically follow-upping your leads is giving you a better growth inside your business. So why wait? Do it right now. And I will be back with another part of the series. Till that, stay tuned. Bye-bye.